YouTube? It's your boy, The Real AB, and you here at The Real AB TV. Now, today I decided to do a part two of how to make thumbnails like a pro, like your boy DDG, Prince Family, Nikki King, Carmen and Corey, all on the cell phone. Now, I originally used Photoshop to make my thumbnails, but if I'm in a quick hurry or just want to make something right quick, I make it on my phone using this method. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Please like this video if it was helpful. And if you need any more YouTube tips or help, please drop a comment below and let me know what exactly you need tips on to becoming a successful YouTuber. Now let's get into the video. Now, as far as the method I use three apps. I use Supreme Pose X, I use Fronto, and I also use Photoshop Express. Now, just for future references, I had already set up, the pictures and stuff and the PNGs and everything that I wanted to use for this video ahead of time, so it could be, time's sake, as far as time's sake. Now, I'm not sure who this person is. I saw a YouTube video. Really forgot what it was about, but this is I'm using him as for my thumbnail video. And if you guys know who this is, please drop a comment below and let me know who it is. So, this is as far as the first step. This is the first step of making thumbnails. Now you're gonna have to add a layer. Go to photo layer, and I'm gonna start out by adding the emoji. Now, this is the PNG that I had. I'm gonna click transform. Now, when you click transform, you're able to put the emoji wherever you want it to be. I kind of want it to be behind him, so, or like a little bit on the shoulder. So I'm gonna just keep it right there. Now, I'm gonna click add another layer, and I'm gonna start out with this right here. Now, me personally, I forgot what this was or what kind of PNG this is, but if you do know what it is, please drop a comment below. So I'm gonna go to layers, and I'm gonna click I'm gonna go to transform, and I'm gonna click fit to canvas. Now this, oh wait, I skipped a step, you guys. I skipped a step. Let me click back. I knew I was forgetting something. Now I gotta go to this. This is what I gotta go to. I'm going to click the canvas, and I'm going to click mask, click a masking tool, and click auto mask. Now, as far as that, it's going to get rid of the white background and just leave him as the image, which is exactly what I needed for the video. Now, I'm going to click, because I want a white background. So I'm gonna click tools, and I'm gonna click mask outline or mask. Oh wait, mask. See, you can either use this outline. I'm sorry, or you can use the cast shadow. Me personally, I like using the cast shadow because it just gives it that new flavor. It's like if you guys see it, it's like a glowy white background around it, which I see a lot on big YouTubers. So I'm gonna click check mark, and that's it as far as the first step. Now I'm gonna, go ahead and add the emoji like how I did, and I'm gonna click transform, fit to canvas. Now it's gonna seem like it's behind him. Do you guys see it? Now the emoji is gonna feel like it's behind him, like looking over him. So now I'm gonna add another layer, photo layer, and I'm gonna add this layer. Peak transform, fit to canvas. Now I'm gonna move this layer up under that layer, up under these two layers, because I want it to be in the back, coming to the front. I'm gonna duplicate this layer so it can show a little bit more, and I'm gonna merge down. This is gonna make both them layers combine into one, so you can have more space on your layers, because you are limited to up to like, I think 7 layers on this app. So after that, as you can see, this is where we are right now. I'm gonna click the 3 boxes at the top right, click the cross, add another photo layer. Now I'm gonna add the recording. This is one of my personal favorites that I use all the time in a lot of my thumbnails. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this everywhere, like I said before, with big YouTubers. Now, this specific, as far as to get this specific recording thing that all the big tubers use, I actually got it from a friend that does YouTube also, because I couldn't find it anywhere, and he emailed it to me. So I will leave my email below, and if you want this particular PNG, I'll be gladly to email you. Just make sure you guys let me know in the comments below, or email me with your email, stating that you want it, and I email it to you without a problem. Now we're gonna click the 3 boxes, gonna click the cross, and we're gonna click photo layer. Now as far as that, we're gonna add the shoes. Now the shoes is gonna play a big role once the thumbnail comes in all together. Once the thumbnail comes in all together, the shoes are gonna play a big role. I'm gonna add another photo layer, add the other shoe. I'm gonna drag it about right here, about right there, and let's take a good look. Click layers, person. Let's take a good look at the overall aspect. Now we're gonna add the finishing touches to the thumbnail, which is the money. Now the money is definitely a big aspect to the thumbnail because it just brings it out. So now we're going to click fit to canvas, but I'm going to move it all the way at the bottom in the background towards this PNG. Now as far as Fronto, as you can tell, it's definitely looking good. It's looking great so far. Put that right there. Move this a little bit right there. Alright, aspect, and this is what we got so far. Now that we're done on Fronto, we're gonna click photos. It's saving. Now that we're done on Supreme Expose, now we're gonna go to Photoshop. Now this is what I mean by I love Photoshop, because it definitely brings out the picture or the thumbnail or anything. It's definitely a good app to use. So I'm going to click HDR, and then I mainly use HDR1. It's perfect, brings out, you can see him, you can see the shoes, you can see the money, everything. It definitely stands out. So now I'm gonna click save to camera roll. That's been saved. So now I'm gonna go to my go-to app, Fronto. I've been using Fronto for a very, very long time. So now we're gonna go to photo albums, click here, and then we're gonna go add, click done. Now we're gonna add text. I'm gonna start off with my question marks that I use, and also the font that I use that I see a lot of mainly YouTubers use is the Burbank font. And I'm gonna add a style to it as far as a color pattern. I'm gonna go click here. I'm gonna go to my patterns, because these are my patterns that I use, and I'm gonna use vertical. I'm gonna click done, and we're going to move it right here, right there, size it up, and we're also going to do the same thing again. My patterns right here, vertical, and done. All right, now we're gonna add the text. I'm not really sure what I should put, but I'm just, for the sake of the video, the shoes and stuff like that, I'm gonna put I won a 2000 pair of shoes for free. That's pretty good, right? And I'm lining up in the middle. I'm gonna put it right here. Now I want to make it visible so you can see what it's about. I'm gonna go to style, like once before. Click here, go to my patterns, right here, horizontal. Look right here. Then I'm gonna go to style. We're gonna go to, not style, stroke. We're gonna give it a black stroke, not too thick. Now we're gonna go to style. We're gonna add a white shadow, and the spacing, I'm gonna make the words a little close to each other. Boom, boom. Gonna raise it up. Alrighty, now that's all. This is the end of the video, and this is how the three steps, or the 3 apps, or the method that I use to make my thumbnails quick, easy, just like a pro. As long as you follow this method step by step, just like I showed you guys today, you will most definitely be improving in your thumbnail, making your thumbnails will most definitely catch somebody's eye if you use this method. Now, this is all I have for the video. I hope you guys like it. Drop a comment below if you learned something new today, and if you want to learn something else, drop another comment below. Let me know what you want to know about YouTube as far as thumbnails, banner webs, anything. Let me know, and I will most definitely make another video for you guys. But like I said before, if you're new to this channel, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. It's free of charge. I'm trying to hit at least 1K by the end of the year. That's my goal, and I'm sticking to it. But without further ado, thank you for watching this video. Peace.